Hi everyone. Today we're gonna talk about the Mercedes Benz 190e final gear. I'm putting a 392 gear into a 2.316 with LSD right now. 392 is for non-LSD setup. So when you're putting a non-LSD setup into a LSD setup, you need to make a spacer to make it work. I'm using 3D printer to print me different size of spacer to try that on and make it fit, and before I ask the machine shop to make me the metal one. After being waiting for 2 weeks, finally the machine shop sent me the spacer. It looks very nice and beautiful. Let's try that on. It looks good. So time to put the gear on and see how it goes. Remember, when you drop the gear in, the gear won't just drop in easily. It's very tight. So you might need to heat up the gear before drop into the LSD. But when you're using the heat gun to heat it up, don't heat up with the LSD together. You need to put the gear on the side and heat up the gear itself. That way the gear will expand a little bit and slide into the LSD very easy. And remember, don't using the hammer to bend it down because you can damage the gear. Don't just hit one spot, you need to rotate the gear. Put the welding glove on and rotate the gear to different spots and make it heat up evenly. When the gear hot enough, you can just drop in without any hassle. Then you need to torque down the bolt, put on the side and let it cool down. To adjust the backlash, you need to have different size of the snap ring. They are different thickness, which is you can get from the Mercedes Benz dealer. It used to be have 12 to 13 different sizes, but most of the size they are discontinued. Please go to Mercedes Benz dealer to check it out and see what you can get. Now I put the thickest one on one side, then put the final gear and put the thinner one on the other side and test it out and see what's going on. Been a couple adjustments. Now gonna check the backlash and see how it goes. Put the dial gauge, and the tip had to touching the ring gear. So couple times adjustment. Now see what I have right now. Let's see. That's around 0.12 to 0.13, so I'm good. Thank you for watching.